Uh-oh, uh-oh.
We first met when the leaves were falling. You felt like home. It was like you could see right through me. But now I'm all alone. I couldn't make you love me. Now I know why. Two wrongs don't make a right. I know you don't deserve me, and I'll be alright on my Looking back on the long cold mornings in your arms, the feeling of home seems distant now that we're apart. I couldn't make you love me, now I know why. Two wrongs don't make a right. I know you don't deserve me, and I'll be alright on my
So here we have my Traxxas Rustler brushless, running on 3S at the minute, but it can do 4S. And for the first time ever, we're going to try out the standard wheels. I've not tried them out yet, but hopefully they're going to be good. What do you reckon, Stephen?
I think they're worth a go.
It's still crazy though on 3S, look. Ready? Uh-oh, Steve's Rustler, 3S. Sporting the big Badlands on there. Oh, it's lively. Oh, and he gets nailed again. Oh! That looks dangerous. I reckon we should go for a 3-0 backflip. That would definitely backflip off of that. Oh! Back wheels off, shafts out. Oh, are you done?
I snapped it.
You snapped it?
Yeah.
Where? Oh, the hub snapped. Uh-oh, shot off over here somewhere. Oh, where did mine go? Oh, oh no. Okay, now he's laughing, now it's not his.
Mine did 100, mate.
Oh no, it's fine. Oh no, it is broken. Top arm's broke. Alright, so I'm fixing mine here. Steve luckily had a part in his splash sack. Put this back on and we're back in action. They're definitely a lot more controllable on these standard tyres. Much better than the Badlands, to be honest. It's stock gearing, stock wheels and tyres. It's running on 3S and it's still insanely fast. Quite good. Oh, oh no. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh, it's a nitro, look. Alright, that's it for this video. Look, this is broken. That's hanging off there. Alright guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash that bell button to stay notified. See you soon guys, bye.